welcome to another weekly workout. This week for you we have a pyramid. So I'm going to explain, you're going to need a timer and a set of weights. I'm going to explain how the format's going to go and how you should set your timer up, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is go over the moves, and then I'll explain how the circuit's going to work, and make sure you just look at the post because I'll have everything listed out there for you of how to set the timer and how your working and rest time is going to go, okay? So your first move, I'm using 20s. Your first move is going to be a front squat with an Arnold press. So you're going to take your weights, you're going to sit them here in the front, okay? You can rest them on your shoulders here if you'd like. So feet are shoulder width apart, chest stays up, okay? Pointed towards the sky as we sit down and back. When you stand up, you're going to take one arm up and Arnold press. So you're going to twist the wrist to the outside, press overhead. Bring it back down together. Back into a squat, stand up, other arm goes out to the side, presses up, comes back in, okay? So each time you squat and stand up, you do one arm in an Arnold press, okay? Second move, we're gonna go back into a reverse lunge with a bicep curl. Now, you can do your bicep curl while in the lunge. If it's a little too difficult or your balance is off, then I want you to stand up and bring the feet together and do your lunge. So, this is the move we're going for. Have those palms facing outward. You're gonna reverse lunge, stay down, curl. Stand up, opposite leg, reverse lunge, curl. Stand up, keeping the weight in that front heel. Now, if you're going to curl when you come to the top, you're just gonna do your reverse lunge, feet come up together, then you're gonna hit your bicep curl. Reverse lunge on the opposite leg, stand up, hit your bicep curl, okay? Then we're going to sit our weights kind of off to the side, a little bit further apart. I'm just gonna set them here so you can see what I'm doing. So you're gonna start on one side, you're gonna lateral jump to the opposite side and squat, pick up the weight, okay? So we're low in a squat, we're gonna jump over to the side, squat down, stand up with the weight, squeezing the glutes at the top. Squat back down and drop the weight, jump to the other side, use the other hand, squat and pick up the weight, okay? So we're just jumping. You can also just have your feet together, step to the side, pick up the weight, back down, step to the side, pick up the weight, okay? Options for everybody. Okay, next up, keep your weights close together. We're gonna do a half burpee, push-up, row combo, okay? So, weights are on the floor, about shoulder width apart. You're gonna go down, so you're gonna jump the feet back, jump or step the feet back. Give me a push-up. Jump or step the feet in. Halfway up, give me a row, okay? Back down, step or jump the feet back. You can drop to your knees for your push-up. Step or jump the feet in. Come up to half back, halfway up into a bent over back, and row both arms. Okay? Then we're gonna go down to the ground. One weight, got some abs. So you're gonna hold a weight overhead and we're gonna flutter the legs. So we're gonna make sure our toes are pointed here for our flutters. We're gonna keep our feet, heels about 6 inches off the ground. Weight stays up overhead. You can keep your head and shoulders down, or you can lift them up slightly for a little extra burn. And we're just gonna flutter the legs out. So fluttering, holding the weight up overhead, okay? If you need to, you can always take that weight away, put the hands under the butt, and flutter the feet. Okay, one last jump here, one last exercise here. Monday morning, words get hard, okay? So we're gonna do weighted lunge jumps. So you can hold 2 weights here, get in a lunge position, 2 weights, and give me some lunge jumps. These 20s might be a little heavy for this, okay? Or you can drop, hold 1 weight here at the chin, give me lunge jumps. also take the weight away, or if the jumping's a little much, you're just gonna give me alternating forward lunges with the weight, okay? So those are the exercises. There's 6 in total. The way you're gonna set your timer is there's 30 seconds of work for each exercise. So you're gonna set your timer. Your first exercise, you're gonna do 30 seconds. Then you're gonna rest 30 seconds. Then your second time, because this is a pyramid, you're gonna do the first exercise for 30 seconds, add on the second exercise for 30 seconds, then you rest 30 seconds. So each time you go to a new round, you're gonna add on another exercise for 30 seconds, back to back to back, and then get 30 seconds of rest before the next round. Okay, so by the end, with the full 6 exercises, you have 3 minutes of working time before you get a 30-second rest. Okay, so you can go down the pyramid, and then you can go back up the pyramid. Up to you. I'll have all of the specifics in the section here where you can see what you need to do. So again, set a timer, 30 seconds of work for your first round, 30 seconds of rest. Your second round will be 1 minute of work because you'll do your first round exercise and your second exercise back to back, and then 30 seconds of rest. Third round will be 1 minute and 30 seconds of work, 30 seconds of rest, and then so on and so forth from there. All right, if you have any questions, need any help, post it in the comments below. Thank you for joining me. Let's get after this one. Have a great week. High five.